This is Cool Trains in Montreal, and I'm at the Des Sources ramps looking down on a CP train headed west. Well, it's 4:20 p.m. on a Saturday afternoon on the 20th of March 2021, and this is the best vantage point for this train right now. Sun is in a decent way, and the CN tracks are there just to the lower right, sorry. Never been lucky enough to see a CP and CN train coming both ways under these bridges. I've seen CN meets here. So it's a sunny 8 degrees today, which is why I'm out here. Spring is in the air. There's some auto racks. Looks like a very long line of auto racks. Seems to be no end to the auto racks. Yeah, the one thing that people do not want to do right now is travel on public transportation. Buses are pretty much empty, which is good for me. I was sort of hoping for a CN train here, but I'll take what I can get. It's very rare that I get the CP trains here anyway. This is on the other side of that bridge. So I'm gonna mosey up Donegany and see if I can see anything else. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.